going on, guys? So I've been wanting to get a driving video for you, and of course it's been raining forever. Just my luck. Got out today, brought the car out today though, had some running around to do. So I figured I'd get some little bit of footage, some nice sounds. Haven't drove this thing in a while. Getting used to driving stick again. It's been a while. I've only drove it a few times since last October now, so it's been a bit. 6 months. Too long to keep it put away. But I am taking it. Oops, won't cover that up. I am taking it in next week to get the Z54 turbo put in, the new high pressure fuel pump, and Opal injectors. So we should be making some pretty good power. What else besides that? Here, let's turn this around. I think besides that, I've been looking at getting new wheels for it. Just trying to find what's gonna fit right. I can't really hammer on it because it's just gonna spin. But we can get some good noises for you guys. I need to get a GoPro. Need to invest in a GoPro for sure. I think I was gonna update you guys on something else besides the wheels and stuff and turbo. Still waiting on my lights to come. I'm pretty sure they should be coming pretty soon, which is gonna be good. Otherwise, just waiting for some nice weather to take this thing out and really enjoy it. Get some good footage for you guys, because like I said, on this it's only 50 degrees too, so even if it wasn't wet, it would, with it being so cold, it would just spin anyways on these roads. But it's definitely nice to get this car out and start driving it again. It's gonna suck taking it in again, and I want to get some exhaust work done yet too. I haven't done that. Race car. Beautiful noises. Alright guys, so it's parked now. Fun little ride in it. Lots of traffic. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Anyways, fun little ride in it. You can kind of see how it is now, and then after I get the new turbo put in, then I'll do another video. If I get some decent weather between now and then, I'll get out and do some more driving video. Definitely gonna invest in a GoPro, because recording with your phone doesn't work good when you're driving. So hope you guys like this video, guys. Thanks for watching.